Spark plugs are tiny components, but they play a huge role in keeping your engine running smoothly. They ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine, and when they wear out, your car can run rough, lose power, or waste fuel. Luckily, replacing spark plugs is a job you can do at home with just a few basic tools, saving you money and keeping your car in top shape. Before we dive in, here's why spark plugs matter. Every time you start your engine, they create the spark that powers the combustion process. Over time, they get dirty, worn down, or even fail completely, which can lead to misfires, hard starts, and poor fuel economy. Manufacturers recommend replacing them at intervals that can range from 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your car, but it's always good to check your owner's manual. All right, let's talk about what you'll need for the job. You'll want a new set of spark plugs designed for your specific vehicle, a ratchet with a spark plug socket, it's a special deep socket with a rubber insert, a torque wrench, an extension bar, and maybe a small amount of anti-seize compound and dielectric grease. Having compressed air or a can of air duster is also helpful to keep dirt from falling into the engine. Step 1 is preparation. Make sure your engine is cool before you start. Working on a hot engine can burn your hands and damage components. Open the hood and locate the spark plugs. They're usually under coil packs or ignition wires on top of the engine. If your engine has a plastic cover, remove it first. Step 2 is to remove the ignition coils or wires. If your car has individual coil packs, unplug the electrical connector and remove the small bolt holding each coil in place, then gently twist and pull it out. If you have spark plug wires, grasp the boot, not the wire, and twist while pulling straight up to avoid damage. Before removing the old plugs, use compressed air or a brush to clean around the base of each plug. This prevents dirt and debris from falling into the cylinder when you remove the plug. Now it's time to take out the old plugs. Attach the spark plug socket to your ratchet and carefully loosen each plug by turning counterclockwise. Once loose, unscrew by hand and lift it out gently. Take a moment to inspect each plug. You can tell a lot about your engine's health by how they look. Normal plugs will have a light tan color on the tip. Oily, sooty, or burnt-looking plugs could indicate bigger issues like oil leaks or overheating. Before installing the new plugs, check the gap using a spark plug gap tool. Even pre-gapped plugs can be slightly off, and having the correct gap ensures the best spark and combustion. If needed, adjust them carefully according to your car's specifications. If recommended, apply a very small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Be careful not to get any on the electrode or tip. Then hand thread the new spark plug into the cylinder by turning clockwise. This is crucial. Cross-threading can damage your cylinder head. Once snug, use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's torque spec. Over-tightening can strip the threads, while under-tightening can cause poor sealing. Once all the new plugs are installed, apply a dab of dielectric grease to the inside of each coil boot or spark plug boot. This helps with a secure connection and makes them easier to remove next time. Reinstall the coils or wires by pushing them straight onto the plugs until they click or seat fully. Then reconnect any electrical connectors and reinstall the coil bolts. Let's pause for a second. If this step-by-step guide is making replacing spark plugs feel way less intimidating, go ahead and hit the like button right now. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my other DIY car maintenance tutorials. Now, with everything back in place, start your engine. It should run smoother and idle more quietly than before. If it misfires or you get a check engine light, double check that all the coils or wires are properly connected and seated. Replacing spark plugs is one of the easiest ways to keep your car running at its best. It improves fuel efficiency, restores lost power, and can even prevent expensive repairs down the road. Plus, doing it yourself takes less than an hour for most vehicles and saves you the labor cost a shop would charge. And that's it. You've just replaced your spark plugs like a pro. If this guide helped you feel confident about tackling spark plug replacement, hit the like button and subscribe for more hands-on car repair tutorials. Leave a comment and tell me what DIY job you want to see next, maybe changing ignition coils or doing a tune-up, and I might feature it in the next video.